In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify store details. First, open your preferred web browser and go to shopify.com. On the homepage, look for the login button and click it. You'll be taken to the login screen. Enter the email address associated with your Shopify account, then choose continue with email. On the next screen, type your password and click login to access your admin. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that as prompted. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has permission to edit store settings. Once you're in the Shopify admin, head to Settings. You'll find the Settings option in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Look for the gear icon, click it, then choose General. This is where your store details live and where we'll make the updates. In the store details section, you'll see fields for your store name, email, address, and contact information. To make a change, click the pencil icon next to the item you want to edit. Start with your store name if needed. This name appears in customer-facing areas like your storefront header, order notifications, and checkout, so keep it clear, consistent with your branding, and free of unnecessary symbols. Next, review your email fields. Your primary store email is used for admin communications from Shopify, while the customer-facing email is used on order notifications and contact forms. Use an inbox you monitor regularly and make sure spelling and domain format are correct to avoid delivery issues. Update your business address carefully. This address can be used on invoices, shipping labels, and tax-related documents, so it should reflect your official business location. Double-check the street, city, state or province, postal code, and country before you proceed. For contact information, include details you're comfortable sharing publicly, such as a support email or business phone. This information helps customers reach you and may appear on receipts or your contact page depending on your theme and settings. After making your edits, click Save. Give Shopify a moment to apply the changes. If you don't see the Save button, scroll to the bottom of the page or ensure you click the pencil icon to enter edit mode. Once saved, your updates will propagate across your storefront, checkout, and notifications. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to Settings, opened General, edited your store name, email, address, and contact info with the pencil icon, and saved your changes. If you ever need to tweak these again, return to the same store details section and repeat the process. Thanks for watching and happy selling.